The dust bag attaches to your belt sander to help control the sawdust created while sanding. The cloth bag has a plastic frame that supports it. There's a clasp on the bottom so the bag can be emptied. Eventually the bag will wear and need to be replaced. It will tend to wear around the frame and near the clasp. Replacing the dust bag is an easy repair you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Hi, I'm Mark Socha. Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers, outdoor grills, our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone. Let's get started. Replacing the dust bag is really a very simple repair. The bag is held to the sander simply by friction. To remove the old bag, I'll twist it as I pull it off of the fitting. Then I just simply press the new bag into place. And that's how simple it is to replace the dust bag assembly on your belt sander. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment.